Okay, so my coffee jack was acting like it was jammed, so trying to take it apart, clean it. This part, basically the first part to come off, it doesn't look like it has any threads or anything. I think it's just held up there with pressure or whatever. So I just twisted it a little bit in here and it just came off. And now I have screws. 5 Phillips screws. Get those. Alright, got that O-ring off. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. Enough pressure from the pump. Hopefully I didn't lose anything. This giant spring. There's another O-ring in here. Yeah, I don't know what the green thing is. Okay, you could just pull the whole plunger out from the bottom. 2 more O-rings. Well, 4 more actually. Something, I'm gonna try to dry this off. Oh great, piece of something just came out. I can't tell if this is like shredded plastic, but it's in the shape of a spring. There's no way that's a functional spring. It's just shredded plastic somewhere. Yeah, there's more. I don't know if I did that during use or if that was from the factory. This extra plastic was, I think, right here. And it looks like that's where the screws go in. So, just where the screws threaded in, I guess. Okay, so there's a couple more things. This metal thing right here. And then there's another rubber piece down in here. Can't really see it that well, I guess, right there. Okay. Got this rubber piece off. Oh, this must be the overpressure valve, I'm guessing. Pressure will release through there. Yeah, I think that's as far as you're meant to take it apart. I'm just gonna clean it and put it back together.